Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share Google Meet meeting schedule problems and solution meeting not showing after scheduling. Yes, in this session I would like to share Google Meet schedule problem. If you schedule the meeting, it is giving errors or any other information. It is not showing the meeting message, the event message. It is not showing in your mobile. So in this video I would like to share the problem solving method using Google Meet schedule option. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. In your mobile, just go to Meet application what you install in your mobile phone. Yes, if your meeting is scheduled means automatically the meeting scheduled, the link will be stored here. Your meeting is scheduled at this time will be there, and join with code and new meeting is there. Once you click the new meeting, start instant meeting, schedule in a calendar. Similarly, it will show like this. So this is a Google Meet application. If anything scheduled means it will display here. There is nothing scheduled now. Check your account is here is correct. See, my account name is there, so that this is my account I have selected. Yes. So now go to Google Calendar. This is a Google Calendar. We can schedule the event using the Google Calendar. Once you click calendar, just select the three dots on the right hand side corner and you will find a different kind of accounts which you have in your mobile. So I have 3 accounts in this mobile. I just want to select my account. The event and reminder should be switched on. So whatever account you have, you need to select the event and schedule and reminding option. So I have selected both options. So now I can able to schedule my event. So in your left hand side corner there will be a plus button. Just press the plus button. You will find out of office, goal, reminder, task and event. Just click event. So add the title. So I'm giving the title about my demo class. So the event, which mail ID you want to store the event. My mail ID, just select your mail ID. So I have typed my demo option and just select the date. Just select the date. So I would like to schedule the event on Friday 6th at 10 a.m. I have scheduled, and add the people. If I want to add the people, I can add the people as well. Yes, so got it. Now in your even now included in Google Meet application. So my meeting also that will, once I schedule means automatically that will display that. Just got it. Yes, so the schedule event is there and I have added the people, and once I click a meeting conferencing, it will be automatically added into my Google Meet. Yes, so call before email 30 minutes before the notification, and if you want to attach any other file, the agenda means you can have that option. So once I schedule, just click save option, just send. The particular person will receive the mail information. So as you see, the demo option will be open here on November 6th. Once I click, automatically my demo will be there. So demo option is there, so that I can able to see my demo option. If you could not able to see your calendar things, just go to calendar. So this is my calendar. Long press on it, it will show the app information. Just click the button app information. Automatically it will display the app information. So if your scheduled, your meeting is not showing to me or showing to you, just click the app information, storage and cache. So this is a storage and cache of the calendar. Just to clear the storage as well as clear the cache. So automatically the unwanted temporary file will be clear. Automatically your calendar will be free space. So that this is a major important thing. If you are not finding this option, just go to your setting, that is your mobile setting, and just select app and notification. Just select calendar. Yes, so calendar is here. So you can app and notification, see all app and select calendar, and you can clear your storage and clear cache, so everything will be cleared. So the clear storage and cache, if you clear means automatically your documents, that is your calendar, will be refreshed. Yes, now I have cleared all the things. So now I can go to my calendar and I can able to find, yes, so here I can able to see, so the month wise, in November my demo is there, yes, with my thing, all the details and reminder, everything will be there. Yes, again the major important, just to go to setting option and make account sync. Yes, in your mobile, just go to setting and just select accounts and choose your account and account sync. Once you click account sync, this all options should be synced. That is, if your sync is off, you can't able to see your calendar schedule. Just select on and refresh, so that your meeting schedule synced means automatically whatever schedule has happened, anyone or you schedule anyone, automatically it will display in your calendar. So this is an easy step, you can able to schedule your event without any hesitating. Yes, if any other errors has happen also, if you clear all the cache memories means automatically it will clear your information and it will show the original files. If you have find any other difficulties, please comments in the comment box and like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.